investors. In this video, we are gonna go through everything about Matic, or called now Polygon, and I'm gonna break down so many little known things about this token. So let's dive straight into it. This is the Polygon website, and the very first thing and the very first reason why Polygon is something that you should look at is because it's a token that is basically doing the job that Ethereum does, taking away gas fees. And in this case, we're talking about zero gas transactions, meaning that the cost of the transaction, gas fees, right, is actually very small or nothing. And to be honest, this is not something that many people have understood so far, because as you know, Ethereum is being taken up more and more, and this token, Polygon, has got the ability to actually work with Ethereum. So the more Ethereum gets bigger, the more Polygon can potentially expand their range of customers and actually applications. And by the way, if you want to know more news on Polygon, I'm really looking into it. So this is the first video, but I'm gonna make so many other videos on this coin because I think it's gonna be big, and so that you're always up to date. Now, the next thing that is very good is that it offers, and we're talking about Polygon, right? It offers security, and it's not just a normal security, it's security as a service. So it's basically provided by Ethereum, as they say, or by a pool of professional validators. And one thing that I really wanted you to understand earlier on in this video is that this coin has got so many applications. This is not a coin that is basically there just for the hype, basically. The hype is in. I mean, there are lots of people buying into this coin, and I believe that it's gonna get very big. But there are also a lot of clients, and I'm gonna show you the use cases that are basically coming through on a daily basis. Like literally there is no day without a new customer, a new client jumping on the Polygon boat. But now let's focus on something that is actually very important, and we are looking at the competitors of Polygon, because as you know, they are not the only company looking at working with Ethereum and are trying to get basically a slice of that cake. And so these are the competitors. We have sidechains, Sharding, Quorum, Cosmos, and Polkadot. Now, the only one that I really see potentially being a threat, and it's Polkadot, basically. As you can see, it doesn't have Ethereum compatibility, and obviously that's a big deal because Polygon is all about that. But at the same time, it has scalability, security, and all the rest. User experience, it has everything. All the others are lacking of something, and in this website, on the Polygon website, you can actually see absolutely everything. So from a top level point of view, it looks like Polygon is actually quite differentiated. They have an edge, basically. They have a moat, as Warren Buffett would say. Okay, Warren doesn't want to invest in cryptocurrencies, but just to say that they have an edge on the other competition. But now let's focus on the use cases of this coin, because that's very important for the longevity and for potentially a development and obviously increase in price long term, obviously. Now, the one you see on the screen right now is the partnership with Telcoin, which is another coin that I actually went through on this channel, and I actually broke it down, made a full video about it. It went very well. I'm gonna make more videos on Telcoin, but basically you see that Telcoin gained 300% after layer 2 migration to Polygon network. So basically there was a partnership between Polygon and Telcoin, and as you can see, only just simply the deal between these two coins has led to Telcoin going through the roof, and obviously even Polygon has actually got a better volume, trading volume for a certain. This is not the latest news, but it's just an example to show you that basically they can work with any token that is Ethereum based or not. And you might think, hey, this is just a coin that works with other coins, like it's basically like Cardano. But no, this is a special one because you can potentially use it for so many other applications. And now I'm gonna show you another 2 use cases that really are gonna blow your mind. And by the way, if you want to know more news on Polygon, this is the channel, because I'm really gonna make more videos on this coin. To me, it's gonna really explode. Now, this is a deal with Beefy Finance. This is actually recent news. It probably came out in the last few hours, but Beefy, and this is the Beefy Finance token, can now be traded on Beefy, whatever, quick swap. But basically Polygon is now being able to actually add liquidity and work using the Matic Polygon network. They can actually use and move the coins into this coin farm, which is a place where basically you can stake your coins and you can actually get interest on your coins. I'm gonna look into it because it sounds very interesting. This beefy finance, maybe also endorse it on this channel, so stay tuned. And when I said that Polygon and the Polygon network can actually work with coins that are not Ethereum or Ethereum based, well, I'm gonna show you something now, and I promise you another two use cases, and these user cases to be incredible. Well, I've kept the best for last, and this is the one we are gonna look at right now. This is another partnership between Polygon and Ramvi, and with the Polygon Ramvi bridge, users can now move BTC, yes, Bitcoin, and many more assets directly to Polygon, enabling high-speed, low-cost transactions for these assets. And guys, if you do not think that this is big, because you know that one of the reasons why Bitcoin is a bit of a pain in the bum, and the reason why it will probably, and I'm not sure on that, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, but probably will be used as digital gold and not as a proper currency, you know, to buy and sell goods, like as we're using now, paying on card or debit card and stuff like that, basically just fiat currency. It won't be used for that, but will be used as gold, as store of value. Is the reason because basically it costs so much to move Bitcoin from one wallet onto another wallet, and that's one of the problems. But thanks to Polygon, first of all, it's much quicker to do it with Polygon. Then with Polygon is much cheaper. So you see that even for whales, people with a lot of money who want to actually save money on that, and we're talking about also companies with a lot of money. You know that Bitcoin is now used to hedge against obviously crashes. We know that Bitcoin and now all cryptocurrencies can be part of a portfolio and can be 1 or 2%. All asset managers have got now a little part, a small part of their portfolio into currencies, you know, to hedge against God only knows what. That's the way they work. Well, Polygon can now be used to reduce the transaction fees and potentially lead to higher profit. So you understand the use case of this coin. And so the question becomes at this point, is it a good time to buy Polygon or not? Let's have a look at the chart. Now, at the time of recording, Polygon is actually doing quite badly. It's down 8%, which is not great, guys. But overall, first of all, even the volume is not doing too well. On a 24-hour basis, is down about 40%. But if we look at the 7-day chart, there is something, actually, let's start from the 1-month chart because it really shows you a lot. First of all, that there is something that in other cryptocurrencies is currently lacking, which is trading volume, guys. In this area down here, you see that trading volume is actually quite strong, right? We hit all-time high around the 18th or the 20th of May, and then we went down, and that was due to Bitcoin, and that was a Sunday, by the way. So all-time high was Tuesday last week, but now, and then we went down, and this week we've been going up and up and up. But the volume, this is what's really big. The volume has come back, and that's what really is important for cryptocurrencies. Looking at Bitcoin instead, because obviously Bitcoin is the gold standard of cryptocurrencies, look at where the volume is gone, basically. Okay, at the moment we are actually up about 1%, which is ridiculous. Obviously it's not a lot, but where is the volume gone? Trading volume again. Basically it's gone. If you want to know more news on another explosive coin, how about Shiba Inu? The video on the screen right now are the latest news on Shiba Inu coin. So click on the video.